Hey guys, Tommy at Monts Family Homestead. Sorry, I had to watch where I walk. Got mud and poop. I don't want to step in none of that. It is now the first week after my full-time job retirement, and I think we're going to take a little time off just to do some things around the homestead, get some things fixed, back into shape like it needs to be. We got Lilo back there. She is but anyway, it's about 10 days before she is supposed to deliver, so we've got to get the stalls up there ready. So we've got to take care of those. Just part of it. I've got a couple of mice in here that they will take care of. So I've got to go to TSC and pick up some things for that. Then our new hatchlings, which are now 4 weeks old, we've got to get them a place built in here just for them to be around. See that mouse over there just run across? Did you see that? Yep. See him on that log right there. Yep. He's fixing to go bye-bye too. But sorry, it's just part of it. I don't want mice in my barn. Don't want rats in my barn. And then we have another project. Y'all don't call me a hoarder or anything, but this is not garbage. It's actually plastic bottles that we've, water bottles is what most of it is. And I've got to take that to the recycling place. Then I've got my wheelbarrow that's rusted out on the bottom. I got to fix it. This is a rear tine tiller, along with this being a rear tine tiller. I've got to fix both of those. Then my brush cutter over here, the carburetor's bad on it. I got to fix that. And then this Yazoo self-propelled mower, I've got to fix that. Plus all the stuff Alicia has got from me on a notebook, a legal notebook pad. It's got 29 lines from top to bottom. There's one line for everything. Everything. Don't you tell her I told you. And then there's this one. Yeah, it's looking better, but it's got a lot that needs to be done. Plus, I noticed this yesterday when we came home from church. I've got wood that's rotting on the outside, so I'll put this piece up. So that 2x6 has got to be taken out. I really like my light, my fiberglass, because it gives me light in here in the daytime, so I'm probably gonna have to redo that. We thought about putting a top on here, but right now, as high as things are, we're not gonna do it. So we'll probably make that work, but I'll have to put a little extension up under it where the water will come on off, but I'll show you how to do that later on too. And guys, we are right in the middle of trying to repair this barn. Those right there were absolutely rotted off, so I actually put a 3-foot 2x6 all the way up there, then this one, and I'm fixing to do this one here. But I'm hoping it's going to last a few more years. I really don't want to put a top on this barn right now because it's going to cost into the thousands of dollars, and I'm hoping wood prices and tin prices and shingles and all will come down, but I doubt it. So we're doing the Mississippi patchwork's what we're doing here. Yeah, see right there what I mean? It's good under there. But what happened was tin started leaking, and of course that always leads to rot. So we're gonna actually come off of here, come out a little bit further down through there with pieces of tin to get the drain off of the wood itself. So we got to put what you call a scab. That's what I call it anyway. I'm gonna run a board up through there and tighten that up, and then we'll run another. Yeah, I just lost the name of it. One of those. Y'all can tell what kind of good carpenter I am. But anyway, do that. Then we're gonna take and come up under that fiberglass because it's starting to leak a little bit. I'm not gonna take it off right now. We're gonna put tin under there all the way down through here. And I will tell you too, let's get that right. Tin right now is anywhere from $30 to $79 a sheet. Just thought I'd let you know that. And I've got to give you the full story on this. When we moved here 12 years ago, there was a sweet gum tree that was growing up beside the barn. Of course, there was no siding on it down through there. This is 30 by 30, 33 by 30, something like that. But what had happened was the tree grew into the barn, so we had to take all, excuse me, all of that off, cut the stump down. Well, and I'm using my truck for a walkway, but it got into the fiberglass, and that's what happened to that. And then limbs were growing out and got into that. So I'm not going to take, like I said, all this tin off. I'm going to go right up under it, go back to where just deep enough, a couple of feet, something like that back. And then I've got some roofing nails we're going to put on. I don't have any help, so Alicia's gone to get the grandkids, and we got to get supper tonight with them. So I may get through, I may not get through. All right, guys, show you the finished project, what we did. And like I said, we started here, there, and we put a 2x6 there, scabbed onto that, there, and there. All the rest of them look fairly well down there. And then we put that outside run on the outside where the tin is. We came actually under the fiberglass, because if you put it on top, it's going to run across the top of it, so you got to go under it. So we got that project done. And then over here where Lilo is, this one right there. See where that one's split? That's our next thing to do today, is to take that one out. I don't know, we may not take it out. We may jack it up and come up to the end. Of course, it's already got two pieces here. When they built this barn years ago, I don't know why, but you can see they put pieces in between pieces and things like that, which I understand. That's part of the way they built things. But see that runner there, and I'm trying to remember the name of this doggone thing, that holds the tin and everything up. It's leaking there, so we need to pop those panels off. I don't know if they're leaking or not, but I have to go look and see. I don't know if there's any holes in there. We're gonna wait for a little bit this morning till everything warms up, because right now it's 26 degrees. And there's our mother-to-be again. She is just about ready. She's kind of restless, so that's the reason I'm thinking about. That's the reason I'm thinking about waiting maybe until she gives birth. I don't want to mess her up, and I mean she's a good girl. She is. She doesn't mind. She doesn't mind things. She doesn't. But I don't want to mess her birthing time up either. So I'll keep you posted on her, but we may have to wait a day or two on that. So anyway, got that one project done. Got one more to do. All right, guys, again, I want to thank you for watching Monts Family Homestead. We're going to try to do one, maybe two videos a week. Just depends on how everything goes. We'll put some shorts in there like we've been doing. But again, I want to thank you a lot for your prayers anyway, for sure. And thank you for watching our channel. Thank you for subscribing and liking and all that good stuff. But I really appreciate your support. I hope you enjoy what we do. We try to do a little different stuff here and there. Some things we kind of run together a little bit, maybe with the animals, this, and that, and the other. But we do have babies on the way, so I'll keep you up to date with that. Again, God bless you. Thank you again for watching Monts Family Homestead.